Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. On the early chart of GNFC, we have a channel pattern breakout above 565 rupees. The support, or I should say the low of the breakout, is right at the previous resistance level of 555 rupees. Now I'm going to zoom out in and around the support level. Can you see the build up? This is the spot in volume activity along with a variation of higher highs and higher lows pattern. The trajectory is going upwards, which is a sign of buyers showing optimism. They expect the stock price to go somewhere near 575 or even higher. The strike price of 570 rupees is what I am looking at, and we are going to trade this call till 590. That is my ultimate target, but you are free to calibrate it as per your analysis as well as risk appetite. And the stop loss is 2 pips away from the entry level.